Okay.
മാമന്റെ കൈ ഇങ്ങനെ
Shoulders behind and chest out. Ready?
Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. This is again another random vlog taken on different days in a week. These days I am on a very busy schedule, hence not able to create a proper content like how I used to do earlier. But I do love putting random vlogs as much as the other ones too, just because I'm able to share with you all a glimpse of what's happening in our life here and there. As I had mentioned in my previous video, my husband is out of town, so my brother and my parents are here with me to accompany. And my last video and this video was shot here and there when they were with us. I started shooting this vlog as a day in my life, but I ended up forgetting that I was filming. So there's always a break on such days when I forget and it becomes a random vlog. I took out my camera beginning with the breakfast I love preparing. It's from leftovers. Previous night for dinner there was chapatis and some curry, so made Kothu Chapathi, which is very tasty as well. Chop some ginger, some garlic and some green chilies and some onion being chopped. These are the very basic ingredients you will need for any such desi kind of recipes. These are beaten eggs with some spices and salt. Scramble the egg first. You don't have to break it down to small pieces now because you will have to break them while mixing anyway. Heating some more oil and saute chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. Once the raw smell goes, add chopped onion and saute well. Keep it on low flame and cover for few minutes. Even had some pita bread we had for last dinner, broke those into small pieces. Kids had school, it was time to wake them up. Arman has started loving school because he gets enough time to be with his friends. So am I, because I'm back in my routine how it used to be before the pandemic. So many changes from then, but on track now. Into the onion goes chopped tomatoes. Mix and let it get soft. Time to add some spices: red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder. Mix really well. My mom had prepared some beef curry the previous night and there was some left over. I had posted a glimpse of the previous night dinner on my Facebook page where you get to see a recipe of paneer chili as well. If you're following me there, you would know there was this beef curry kept on the table during dinner. Now add the chapati pieces into the masala and mix really well. Forgot to mix the scrambled eggs. It doesn't matter at what point of time you add this, but while mixing, just break down in the kadai itself. This is usually prepared on a tawa and it's broken into small pieces using 2 spatulas. I get reminded of a restaurant in Riyadh we used to go regularly. Totally forgot the name of that. They serve one of the best kothu parathas there. I used to go there specially to get this. Even if I was craving for something else, 1 plate of kothu paratha is a must on the table. Adding some coriander leaves enhances the flavor and taste. As usual, I had my workouts and my mother would wait till I finish. Normally that happens. But this time she was feeling really hungry and told me that she would want to have breakfast early. I remember my mom telling me my grandma had taught my mom and her sisters to wait until their brother finishes food and then they could have theirs. In other way, let the men in the house eat first and the remaining for the women. This is something that I cannot relate to. And I don't think it's a good lesson we need to pass to our next generation. Be it men or women, it's gender equality I believe in. And mutual respect is very, very important. If you remember, a couple of months ago, we had started our new project or venture, findestate.in. I know you haven't forgotten about it because I get emails and messages on my Instagram asking for new investment opportunities or about any house for sale and such. For those who doesn't know about it or have missed that vlog, it's our new project we had launched some time ago. It's a website portal where you can buy, sell, rent or lease any property. Just look out for what you want and contact us. We guide you the right way. Just a quick update on what's happening now. Lots of new properties have been listed on findestate.in. You can go through the website yourself. Just a point to mention here, we started this venture by listing properties in Kerala. Every property you get to find here is verified. It's a gradual expansion we are doing, so slowly we will be bringing this outside Kerala. Presently, There's lots of investment opportunities in Kerala you get to find in findestate.in. Let me show you a few projects that would be really interesting. Recently, we had updated about some good budget properties, verified properties of course, from one builder. It's their villa projects ranging between 35 to 40 lakhs. If you're looking to buy or invest in less price, these might be the ones what you are really looking for. And there are a few other new additions on the premium side. Few luxury properties range starting from 95 lakhs. And not just that, lots of other properties too included. Just go to the website and look for what you need. Or if you have any other properties or any other apartments that you would want to sell, you may contact us again. We will be listing your property after verification. The contact details are on the screen and in the description box. Give a call or an email. We will guide you. If you have been watching my vlogs these days, you would know my brother has a newborn baby. Her name is Ezlyn Fatima. She and the mommy, Chinnu, is going to complete their 40th day. And in our culture, 40th day is very special. I don't know what's the reason for that, but we still follow it. Though the culture is being followed, I don't think the new mommy follows the rules of lying down in her bed for full 40 days. I never completed my 40 days in bed. It's really frustrating, especially when you have postpartum depression as well. I believe you need to be around your family, having conversations with them and not alone in the bed. Your thoughts will kill you otherwise. And that's what happened to me even though I was not on bed for the whole 40 days. Of course, you need to take a rest. You need time to come back to be active for your baby. They had invited us for lunch. Baby and Chinnu both are doing very well. Both are very healthy and happily enjoying their time. I was really missing to see the little one. The last time I saw her was on her 14th day, and I had made a short vlog on that a few weeks ago. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. See you with another one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.